copy trade. Copy trade. Copy trade. Copy Trade. Copy Trade. Copy Trade.
You're tuning in from, whether you're just starting your morning, already in the middle of the trading grind, or relaxing at the end of your day. Welcome to our global live stream. Yes, I'm Annie, your host. For the next 2 hours, I'm going to represent the whole WeMasterTrade team. I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's section is not just about a presentation. It's a real conversation, a chance for you to step into the engine room of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking funded trading firm in the industry too. And of course, I'm not here alone. Joining me are two outstanding traders who have shaped the culture, vision, and standards of WeMasterTrade. They are not just skilled professionals, they are mentor and leader within our community too. First up, let the ever-composed, always insightful Raf. Welcome, Raf.
Thank you so much, Annie. Hello, everyone, and thank you for choosing to spend your time with us today. I'm genuinely excited for this session because there's so much we are going to uncover, not just strategies or rules, but the entire ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is a platform that doesn't just fund trades, it builds traders step by step from starting out to scaling to earning.
And next to him is someone known for sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolutely no-nonsense chart reading. Strategic, precise, and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. Please welcome Helen.
Thank you, Annie, and hello to everyone in the chat. I'm really thrilled to be here. What excites me most is that today we're unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offers, but how you can truly take advantage of each part of our system. Packages, promotions, scaling, payout structure, all of it. If you have ever had a question or doubt, today is your chance to ask.
Exactly. Whether you are completely new or already a funded trader with us, today's live stream will give you the full picture of just the highlight reel. And we're going to walk through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, and how our programs are designed, and why we operate differently from traditional broker or prop firm. And just to clarify, this isn't just about selling you anything. This is about helping you to understand what you are signing up for, how our structure works, and how you can use that structure to not only success but also actually scale.
Okay, and let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. WeMasterTrade was built as a funding project, not as a broker. That different matter. Broker profit from value or client losses. WeMasterTrade profit only when traders succeed. We provide capital, take on the risk, and share a profit when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy shapes our trading packages as well. Today we'll walk through each package, so it's designed for how to choose the right ones and what to expect. If you have ever looked at our packages and thought which one fits my style, you will finally get the answer.
And beyond just explaining, we are doing live side-by-side comparison, like pricing, account sizes, max drawdown, consistency rules, payout timelines. Reading numbers on the website is one thing. Understanding the intention behind those numbers is another.
And when you understand packages, a big question is always, how do I stay compliant while trading? So we will dive deep into the rules, especially the daily loss limit, how it's calculated, why loading profit and loss matter, and how to avoid violation, especially overnight. We will also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstanding around trade sizing and risk per trade.
And I won't just explain rules, I will share the real experiences from my early funding trading days, mistakes I made, adjustments I learned, and how the rules are actually there to protect your growth, not limit it.
And of course, we're going to go through our current promotion, discount codes, support campaigns, capital bonuses, and show you exactly how to qualify and submit proof properly.
And finally, we will talk about the scale-up plan, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize that a structured pathway to grow into higher capital tier. With consistent performance, you don't just get payout, you actually climb toward becoming a six-figure funded trader.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the strongest engines behind long-term income at WeMasterTrade, the profit-sharing model. This is the heartbeat of what makes us different from every typical rock firms out there. When you trade on a funding account, follow the rules and generate profits, we share the profit with you, and you not just a small cut up to 90%. But here's the thing, the percentage is just the headlight. What really matters is the payout circle, the thresholds, how the timeline works, and we are breaking all of that down today so you know exactly how to maximize every payout opportunity.
Now, I know a lot of you tuning into today aren't just traders. Some of you are mentor, educator, community leaders, or like you simply have strong network. So we're also diving into our affiliate program, and we're going to doing it transparently. We will walk you through how commissions are calculated, how referrals are tracked, and most importantly, what you need to qualify for payouts, and include a full explanation of the 2 referee rules and the minimum funding requirements. Not confusion, no surprises.
And that's super important. We have seen you grow in a very activity lately, which is awesome. But we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and responsible with the way they promote. When they understand the system, you are not just earning commission, you are building a long-term, sustainable income stream.
So, as you can already tell, this is not your usual light, surface level live stream. Today, we're going to get deep into everything. Trading packages, trading rules, promos, scale-up pathway, profit sharing, affiliate opportunities for you. All with one goal, helping you to make the smartest, most informed decision of your trading journey.
And we want this to be interactive, not just a lecture, so if you have questions, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderator are here, we are watching and we will answer as many as we possibly can. Your voice matters, this whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching the replay later, don't worry, we will leave timestamp, summary, and you can always reach out to our support team for clarification. They are one of the most dedicated team I have worked with. They really want the trader to succeed.
So, before we jump in, let's just say this. WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment to build a real trader, a commitment to fairness, a commitment to giving people all around the world a structure, scalable path to turn trading into profession, not just gamble. So, if you're here to grow, to understand, and to take action, you are exactly in the right place. Let's take this journey together. And alright everyone, let's begin. And once again, welcome to our WeMasterTrade live stream. And yes, so this next segment is about origin. It will be included with intention and impact too. It's about where WeMasterTrade came from, what value hold this entire platform together, and how those values transform into real tools, real opportunities, and real outcomes for traders like you. And to walk us through that story, we got 2 people who literally live and breathe this mission every single day, Ralph and Helen. So Ralph, let's kick it off from the beginning, please.
Thanks, Annie. To really understand WeMasterTrade, you have to understand why it was created in the first place. Unlike most broker or broad firms that grew out of traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission: to give capable traders access to real capital, regardless of where they come from, what their background is, or how much money they have in their savings. Talent shouldn't be limited by circumstance, and that's exactly what WeMasterTrade was built to solve. We were founded in 2022 as part of the WeCopyTrade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeCopyTrade made its name through investor network, copy trading technology, and signal. But WeMasterTrade, it was created with a sharper, more focused vision to find high potential traders, support them, fund them, and scale them so they can earn professionally without risking their own capital.
And that's one key point many people overlook, and it matters. WeMasterTrade is not a broker. This is a slogan. It's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spread, we don't earn from commission, and we don't earn when trader lose. Our model only works when the traders are profitable. That's why everything has built instant funding, profit sharing, scale up is designed with alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk, we provide the structure and the pathway. Your role is to trade with the skill and discipline. When you grow, we grow. But we also know something important. Skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from day one has been education first. We don't want traders just memorizing rules. We want them to understand the logic behind the structure, the why behind the risk model. And that's why we have invested heavily into the WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete learning ecosystem designed to take a trader from beginner all the way to consistently funded professionals.
And the Academy is seriously something special. We have training that covers everything from trading psychology to risk celebration to advanced multi-asset strategy. But the best part is, it's not just theory. It's built to mirror the real trading environment in WeMasterTrade. So whatever you learn in the Academy, you can apply directly to your funded account the very same day. And to make sure that everything we build meets global educational standard, WeMasterTrade proud to be ISO 21001 2018 certificate and recognition given to institutions that deliver high quality, structured and internationally compliant learning system. It's a big achievement and it represents our commitment to the long-term trader development too.
Now, that certification isn't just a badge, it's a statement. It shows we are invested in developing traders, not in collecting fees and disappearing like so many firms in this space. While other platforms rise fast and vanish even faster, WeMasterTrade has built real structures, stability, compliance, transparent processes, and a team that stands behind every decision. We're not here for a quick way, we're here to help build careers that last.
And that commitment shows in the story we hear every day. If you visit our testimonial page, you will see traders from Nigeria, Vietnam, Canada, the Philippines, South Africa, all sharing how WeMasterTrade didn't just help them earn more, but help them trade with confidence and purpose. Some had challenges after a year of being stuck with the retail broker. Some finally escaped the fear of risking their own savings. Some found clarity, structure, and support they had never experienced before. They have seen watched students turn into full-time traders. They have seen women step back into finance after a long career break, and young professionals from the unbanked region, people who were locked out of the markets, now trade with the real capital and real opportunity. That's the impact we care about, and that's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystem goes beyond funding. For traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and staying in tune with the market, we maintain a constantly updated blog section, weekly insight, psychology breakdowns, market reaction, platform updates. We believe trading is a lifelong craft, and we make sure our community never stops sharpening its edge. And let's talk about the culture for a moment. What sets WeMasterTrade apart isn't just features, it's the mindset that we cultivate. Integrity, respect, share knowledge. Whether you are chatting with our Telegram group, watching our YouTube series, or talking to our live support team, you will notice one thing: we actually listen. And we treat traders like partners, not just ticket numbers.
And I want to be very honest here, in most platforms, the trader is just another customer. But at WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of the entire model. Your performance fuels the business, your feedback shapes the platform, your consistency determines how far we scale together. That kind of mutual accountability is rare and is something we genuinely value.
So if you ever question whether this path is real, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, go read the testimonial, look at the funded account, and talk to people who have been through the system. The stories are real, the capital is real, and the results they speak loudly.
To summarize, WeMasterTrade is more than just a platform. We are a capital allocator, a talent accelerator, and education-first trading institution. We're here to challenge the status quo in trading access, to reward performance over promotion, and to create real, scalable income opportunities for traders worldwide. No matter where you start, This is bigger than just a prop firm. It is a trading movement, and if you're ready to be part of it, today LiveStream will give you the full roadmap to get started. Thank you, Ralph and Helen, for that deep and honest walkthrough. Coming up next, we'll take this foundation and connect it directly to what we offer, our actual account packages. That means a full breakdown of all the different account options at WeMasterTrade, how they differ, so they are who they are designed for, and what kind of result you're going to realistically expect from each of them. So now that we explore who WeMasterTrade is and the principles that we stand for, it's time to dive into one of the most important part of our section, a detailed discussion on our account packages. Okay, and yes, if you want to, you will understand with this lesson today. We'll walk you through every packages, explain what is offered and how it's structured, and most importantly, who it's designed for.
Exactly, Annie. At WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all model. That's why we created two distinct product lines for traders, the Challenge Package and Instant Funding Package. Each line comes with a variety of account sizes and configurations because traders come with different strength, risk appetite, and timelines. We make sure there's a path for everyone, whether you're starting small or ready to scale fast.
And now let's talk about the instant funding package designed for traders who are ready to skip the challenge phase and start trading with the real capital immediately. Unlike the challenge model, it is for those who already have a test strategy on or want to hit the ground running. In fact, efficient and still structured around the same risk rule that keep your account safe.
In the Instant Funding Package, you select an account size 10,000, 25, 50, or 100,000, and you start trading real funds from day one. The rules are straightforward: 5% daily loss limit, 10% maximum loss, and 1/100 leverage. There are no simulated phases. You are already in the funding stage, and your profits share up to 90%.
So to summarize the challenge package, it's perfect if you want a step-by-step progression. Prove your skills, get familiar with WeMasterTrade risk framework, and gradually unlock higher profit shares. In the instant funding package, this is for traders who want to start with real capital immediately, with all the protection and profit sharing benefits intact.
Exactly. Think of it this way. Challenge package build confidence, demonstrate skill, and grow rapidly. The instant funding trade like capital immediately if you're confident in your strategy. Both paths lead to the same destination. Scale your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And don't forget, all packages are fully compliant with WeMasterTrade risk management tools. That's our guarantees. You have a clear, transparent path whether you are learning, testing, or trading full time. The difference is only the starting point, your skill level, and comfort with risk.
So whatever stage you are at, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there's a WeMasterTrade package for you. And coming up next, we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of challenge versus instant funding, so you can clearly see the account sizes, risk rules, timelines, and profit share opportunity too.
And the 25,000 to 100,000 challenge packages are perfect for traders who already have a capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger funding accounts. If you pass all the prop challenges or have a strong verified trading history, this is a natural step to level up your career.
Every challenge package comes with a one-time fee. For example, it's just $50 for the $10,000 challenge. Here's the good part. That fee is refundable once you become funded and meet minimum performance conditions. And if things don't go your way, you're eligible with a 30% reset discount, so you can start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to go through a challenge at all and want a real capital from day one, like earning purely based on result? That's where our instant funding packages come in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stand out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced resilient traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluation, no demo stage, just live trading, fully backed by a structured, fair, and transparent system.
And accessibility is key. You can choose from several account types based on your trading style, preferences, and goal. Today we will go through the 4 main instant funding packages: 5-10-10, 5-10-0, 5-10-10 WC, and Customize. We will compare the detail, but most importantly, we will help you figure out which package is right for you.
Let me set the scene. Is all the instant funding packages give you live trading access from day one. That means no challenge prices, no evaluation. You pay once, follow all the rules, and start trading real capital immediately. And every account, no matter size, includes no limits, no time limits, up to 90% profit share, scale up plan toward $1 million, support for EA, swing trades, scalping, and even HFT strategy. And now, let's get into package by package. So Ralph and Helen, I want you to jump in with the real advice. Who should choose which package, and what kind of traders have you seen success with each of them? Next up, let's shift gear into the 5-10-10 package. Same maximum capital up to $2,000, but now you get 5% daily loss and 10% overall limit. So why is that important?
Dash extra revenue room is huge for traders who scale into position or like taking multiple in triple setup. Imagine you are in a volatile market with a fast swing. The 5-10 rule let you negative level move without hitting daily limit remotely. It's a game changer for professional style trading.
The profit target here is 10%, perfectly aligned with a higher risk window, and as always, you get full flexibility. Scalping, EAs, nose trading, swing trades, HFT, whatever suits your style. This package is all about tolerance and adaptability. It rewards traders who understand position sizing, risk management, and market timing.
So Ralph and Helen, for someone deciding between standard and 5-10-10, how do they know which fits their trading personality?
Well, if you prefer lower risk, steady growth, standard is your friend. You can compound slowly without pressures. 5-10-10 is for those who understand volatility, manage multiple positions, and want a slightly larger cushions. You have more room to make strategic moves without being cut up by limit.
Exactly, and we have seen many traders relate from standard to 5-10-10s when they understand the app. It's about scaling safely, yes, aggressively when the opportunity arises. And this market is perfect for day traders, especially those focusing on fast-moving assets like NADA, gold, and volatile forex pair. If you already have a touch intraday strategy and want a little extra breakthrough for it, this is the market for you. It gives you flexibility without sacrificing structure.
And it's also great for traders who thrive with clear targets. That's 10% profit goal as a motivating milestone, keeping you focused and payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and these buckets give them that clarity without feeling restricted.
So to sum up, 5-10-10 is for high tolerance intraday or ambitious trader. Next, we'll dive into the 5-10-0 and the 5-10-10 no PC packages, which are even more flexible for advanced trading style, including EAs, scalping, and more aggressive strategy. Now, this one is a personal favorite for traders who love trading on their term. The 5-10-0 package. You get a 5% daily limit, 10% overall loss, but zero profit target. That's right, no number chasing you around. Trade smart, trade patient, and the result comes naturally.
For traders who thrive on precision over pace, this is pure freedom. You focus on protecting your capital, building consistency, and growing your account without any arbitrary pressures. No target, just trading, clean control, and strategy.
And this market is perfect for low frequency trader as a market snapper. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week, it's with careful planning. This environment actually reward patience and rather than potency.
So, who is it for? Veterans, swing traders, risk-conscious traders, basically anyone who values consistency over speed. If that sounds like you, this bucket will feel like home.
And let's face it, not every trader wants to trade targets. Some just want to trade cleanly, scale smartly, and grow steadily. This is market for them.
Next up, for traders who want maximum flexibility without constraint, the 5-10-10 no PC package. So, Helen, correct me if I'm wrong. This one removed the profit consistency rule, right?
Exactly, a same 5 or 10 risk profile but no pressure to smooth out your profits. You can hit big win, take calculated swing, and you're not responsible for volatility in reserve.
Just a heads up, trade copy aren't allowed, so this is for manual traders only. But for those who enjoy high risk, high reward trading with occasional big spikes, this is the ideal arena.
And this market for aggressive trader, risk taker, or anyone created by strict consistency rule elsewhere. Trade how you want as long as you respect the drawdown limit.
And last but not least, the customized package. Think of this as WeMasterTrade saying, you define the rules, we fund your strategy.
Well, you can set your own daily loss, overall loss, and even fund up to $400,000. The largest funding option we offer is designed for serious traders who want total control without compromising on flexibility.
And this is premium or set trading. You can use EAs, new strategies, weekend holding, SFT, everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, the package will let you bring it to life. And this package is perfect for top-tier professional, a cash fund trader, high-volume trader, signal provider, anyone who wants a fully tailored trading setup. This package put the blueprint in your hand.
Well, I always say if you have tried automotive and nothing fixed, the customized package lets you build your own roadmap. That level of freedom is rare in the trading world and extremely powerful for serious traders.
To wrap it up, every instant funding package we offer is built around clarity, fairness, and real opportunity. Clear risk parameter, competitive commissions, full market access, and a genuine profit potential. No artificial time limit and payouts. They can start as early as the very next day.
And here's the best part. No matter your trading style, scamming, swing, algo, or manual, there's an account that matches you. The key is choosing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now and the growth compounds naturally.
And if you ever on the fence, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But here's real secret: pick the account that suits your discipline, not your dreams. That's right. The rivals always outperform the fastest promise.
And yes, alright traders, you have seen the packages, and now it's time to tackle the rules that can make or break your account. The daily loss limit. Stay tuned. This one separates the pros from the panic. And getting funded feels amazing, right? But staying funded, that's the real game. And the number one reason account gets shut down, one thing, daily loss.
Yeah, the infamous daily loss. Most traders think they understand it until it explodes their account mid-trade or still day afternoon classic.
But here's the silver lining: once you really grasp it, this rule becomes one of your best allies in risk management. Today we will break it down step by step with real examples.
So, what is it? The daily loss limit, also called maximum daily loss. Set the hard cap for losses in a single trading day, including both close and floating trades. Hit it even for a second and your account shuts down automatically.
And here the nuance. It's always calculated from the higher of your starting balance or equity. That small detail is what catches so many traders off guard.
Think of it as a safety leash. It's not there to punish you, it's there to keep you in the game.
Let's get practical. Day 5, your balance is $105,000, but equity is $107,000, thanks to some floating profits.
Well, with a 4% daily loss, the system calculated from 107,000, the higher number.
And 4% of 107,000 is about 4,280. Your equity cannot drop below the 102,000 720 that day or is auto liquidation.
And here's the kicker. This is real time. The system doesn't wait. Dip below or even just a second and boom, your account is closed.
Now flip it. The 7th balance is 100,000, the equity is 99,000 because some trades are in loss.
Since balance is higher, 4% daily loss equal for $4,000. Your equity must stay above 96,000 on day.
Drop to 95,999 and liquidation triggers. No margin calls, no warnings, just done.
And this isn't the execute a market order to close everything. All trade liquidated. Account disabled. You cannot trade again unless you purchase a new package.
And remember, because it executes at live market prices, slippage can make a final profit and loss worse than expected. That $3,900 loss you planned could turn into a $4,200 in seconds.
And that's why we always say, don't dance on the edge, respect the limits, protect your capital, and you will stay funded longer and grow consistently.
And alright trader, let's dive into how to avoid violating the daily loss rule. This is where a growth mindset kicks in.
Tip number 1. Know your buffer. Don't plan trades that push you right to the edge of your limit. Leave at least 10 to 15% cushion below your max, especially in volatile markets.
Tip 2. Focus on your equity, not just balance. Most traders stare at their balance all day, but if floating losses are driving your equity down, you are already at risk of a violation.
Tips number 3. Use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade provide live risk dashboards. Check your loss and check your loss status frequently. Don't rely on memories or guesswork, okay?
Tip number 4. Pause after early losses. If you lose 3% in the first hour of the London session, stop, reflect. Don't try to revenge trade back into the green.
Tip number 5. Trade smaller during news event. Trading gold during NFP at a full size. That's a fast track to hitting the daily loss. Scale down your loss, ride the pole. Volatility moves safely.
Let's also talk about the traps. What mistake do traders make most often with daily loss?
Number 1. Over leveraging. Opening trades that are 5 to 7% of your account, thinking you will exit quickly. When it goes red fast, it's already too late.
Number 2. Holding overnight without checking exposure. Trade lap overnight, wake up to the 60 pip graph, daily loss can trigger before you even open your eyes.
And the third big mistake?
Assuming only closed trades matter, nope, equity include floating profit and loss too. That's your real score. And now I always tell new traders that daily loss isn't your enemy. Think of it as your account airbag. It's designed to stop you from making irreversible mistakes.
Exactly, it forces discipline. You can be aggressive but only inside the ball. Learn that and you will last longer than 90% of the market.
One last point, this isn't just about the rules. It's about trust. WeMasterTrade fund you because we trust you. You will manage risk responsibility. And the daily loss is protect that trust for both sides. And now we're going to get into a break times. Okay, wait for us to come back, guys.
copy trade.
Welcome back, traders. Previously, we covered the daily loss rule, your day-to-day seatbelt. And now it's time to talk about the ultimate boundary. I'm talking about the maximum loss rule, your account airbag, and isn't just for one day. It's for the entire life of your account.
A lot of traders think I didn't hit my daily limit, I'm safe, but a few days of small losses adds up and suddenly liquidations.
Exactly, the max loss is final status, hit it, and the system sees your account is unstable. Immediate closure, no exception.
Let's break it down simply. It's the total loss your account can sustain across all trades at any moment. If your equity, including open trades, dip below that threshold, the account is gone, period.
Unlike the daily loss, which resets each day, this is cumulative. Lows 2% one day, 3% the next, cross the line and that's it.
And the actual percentages depend on your package, typically 6% or 10% of your starting balance. It's always based on your initial capital, not your equity or brokerage.
For example, 6% max loss on $50,000. Suppose your account starts at $50,000 with 6% max loss, that is $3,000.
Your equity can never fall below $47,000. Doesn't matter if you made $1,000 yesterday, it's cumulative from the start.
And remember, both close and floating losses count. Close at 2,000 floating and 1,200. Equity if of 46,800 below 47,000. The account closed.
Not about net gain or loss across trades. It's about real-time equity versus the stop-loss floor.
Say your account grows to 51,000, profits feel praised, right?
Yeah, but the max loss is still beyond original 50,000. The simply means a 47,000. Profit only give extra buffer.
Exactly. Your equity can drop to $4,000 before hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move the threshold.
And what happens when you break it? Drop below the max loss even by a few dollars, and auto liquidation trigger instantly. All trades close at market price.
And like daily loss, slippage might make your final number slightly worse. That's just market reality.
And most importantly, once breached, the account is permanently disabled. No reset, no rolls back. Want to continue trading? You must purchase a new package.
And here the secret sauce. How do you stay inside the max loss walk and trade live floor without sweating every second?
Tip 1. Know your floor. Always track your total close losses every day. Don't wait for a dashboard alert. Calculate it manually. Awareness is half the battle.
Treat profit as ammo, not ammo. Floating gain don't mean going wide. Reduce loss size when you're ahead. Protect your capital, don't gamble it.
Tip number 3. Manage floating losses like a hawk. Even like one wrong trade can turn your cushion into catastrophe. Stay alert, stay disciplined.
Tip 4. Step back when danger looms. If you are 5% down on a 6% max loss, don't chase it. Walk away. Take a breath. Analyze. Patience saves account.
And tip 5. Never buy volatility blindfolded. Big news, reduce size. Gold, Nasdaq, Euro pair. Despite flash, respect the market, respect the limit.
Now let's get real. Here's are the moves that destroy accounts faster than you can blink.
Number 1. Over-leveraging. Opening positions at 5 to 7% of your account, thinking it's safe. One wrong move and you are toast.
And number 2, ignoring floating trades. Close trade loser. I think you're safe. One more rest trade floating 1,500 to 2,000 and boom, account cross the line.
Number 3. Revenge trading. Lose yesterday, come back swinging today to recover. That's how 6% max loss disappears in 2 sections.
Slippage during news, tight stop, doesn't matter. A single candle can wipe out your buffer before you can blink.
Listen up, the max loss isn't the enemy, it's your protective shield, your airbag. Every top traders I know treats it as non-negotiable. Cross it and the lesson hits hard, account got.
Exactly. Think of it as a reality check. If your consistently skimming the edge. The problem isn't the rule, it's your strategy or mindset. Treat that in account like you're not there.
So here's the mantra. Traders, respect the max lot, trade inside the box, protect your equity, grow consistently, treat it like your best friend, and it will keep your account alive. Why most traders self-destruct are around you.
At WeMasterTrade, we're not just handling with our capital, we are building structures, discipline, and professionalism. The max loss rule, that's the line that separates gamblers from true traders.
So let's lock this in, traders. Here's what you need to remember about max loss. It's a percentage of your starting balance, usually 6% or 10%. It's calculated from real-time equity, not just your balance. It counts both close and floating losses. Every penny matters. And here's the kicker. Once it's breached, the account is gone permanently.
Until you at your final safety net, respect it, trade smart, and you will survive when most traders fail.
Alright traders, we covered the daily loss limit and the maximum loss rule, your capital safely nets. And now let's talk about the result, not just risk. At WeMasterTrade, we want to see traders grow, scale, and earn sustainably. And that's where profit consistency comes in.
This rule separates lucky spies from true pros. It tells us whether you can make consistent profits over time instead of relying on one big win.
And it's also how we can determine profit sharing, withdrawals, and scale up. Our funders and can withdraw at full profit. This rule is probably why.
Simply put, the profit consistency ratio measures how evenly your profit comes in day to day. One huge spike and several flat is losing day. High ratio, low consistency.
At WeMasterTrade, most accounts require 30% profit consistency, meaning your best days cannot exceed 30% of your total profits. Exceptions, the 5% novice package, no profit consistency rule at all.
And important, if your profit consistency exceeds 20%, your profit shall drop to 10%. That's right, keep your consistency in check if you want to maximize earnings. And how it's calculated? The formula is simple. The best trading day profits divide total flow profits multiplied 100 equal to profit consistency ratio.
Best day means single day highest closed profit, and total profits means the sum of unclosed profit minus closed losses. Floating losses don't count until closed.
So if your best day is $200 and your total profit is $500, your profit consistency will be 200 divided to 500 and multiplied to 100. It will be 40%. That is too high, and you need to trade more to reduce the ratio below 20% eligible for payouts.
And we will walk through the example in 5-day reserve. Day 1, $100. Day 2, $200. Day 5, minus 50. Day 4, 100. Then day 5, 60.
So the total net profits equal 100 plus 200 minus 50 plus 100 plus 60 equal $410.
And the best day will be equal to day 2, $200, and the profit consistency will be 200 divided to 410 and multiplied to 100, which is around 48.78%.
What about the 30% limit even though profitable? Profit shall drop to 10% until consistency improves.
Profit doesn't equal pay. Even profitable traders won't get full profit share if gains are too concentrated.
If you rely on 1 or 2 monster days to carry your account, that's risk, not skill. You need steady win.
And the long-term balance is higher trust, scale up, and full profit share. That's what separates fund growth from lucky strike. And if you're over the limit, don't panic. Focus on evening out profit over multiple days.
Practical tips. Number 1, reduce lot sizes for a few days. Next, take smaller control wins around $200 to $300 per day. Next, avoid one massive swing trades, and the last one, spread gains across multiple days.
For each user, monitor your equity curves. Boats that spike profits into one day may hurt the profit consistency. Adjust to keep ratio below 20 to 30% for full profit share.
And there are common mistakes. Number 1, hitting targets early and resting inflate bad day ratio.
Number 2, overtrading after a big day, trying to swing more means higher ratio.
Number 3, ignoring the rules. Profit consistency is what we actually measure for growth and scale.
Now, to be honest, profit consistency isn't a hurdle, it's your roadmap to sustainable growth and maximum profit share.
And hit it, and WeMasterTrade will treat you with a bigger capital, ignore it, and even profitable account get reduced payout.
So remember, small, steady, reliable profit is going to be over one lucky spike any day. Keep profits consistency below 20 to 30% to maximize your profit share and scales fast.
Now, while profit consistency matters, at the end of the day, this isn't about controlling you, it's about building habits that can handle scale. If you can't be consistent with $25,000, what happens when we give you $100,000 or more?
Exactly, consistency is your ticket to trust. As WeMasterTrade, we're fun trader, but we also study them. These rules are whether you are serious about long-term trading or just chasing lucky spikes.
And we have seen it time and again. The traders who respect this rule, they are the ones getting multiplied payouts, referrals, and eventually scaling into six-figure funding accounts.
And so don't fear the rule and rate it as payback. Too high, that's good. It means you're making profit. Now the goal is to balance it out over multiple sessions.
And remember, no manual math required, WeMasterTrade dashboard automatically calculate your profit consistency ratio. Check it anytime under your statistics tab.
Quick recap for traders. This rule is about balance, not volume. Keep your best day under 20% of total profit for max payout. Spread your wins across multiple sections. Monitor progress using the dashboard. And so far, we have walked through the daily loss limit, tackled the maximum account loss, and examined how profit consistency shapes your long-term payouts and growth. And now we arrive to the final and perhaps the most overlooked rules of all, the risk consistency rules. And I'm talking about the risk consistency rule that we like to call the risk grouping test, because honestly, the market isn't just your biggest threat, your own consistency is.
Exactly, traders often think the hardest part is predicting price, but really it's staying disciplined with how much you risk per trade.
And this really doesn't care about your win streak, it's to monitor your risk pools. If you want to to scale as WeMasterTrade, this is non-negligible.
Here's the simple version. You cannot risk more than 2% of your initial account balance on any single trade idea.
And that includes everything linked to that trade ideas, close trades, floating losses, freeze, and swap. Nothing is excluded.
For accounts like the 5-10-10 novice package, this rule even stricter, 1% per trade idea.
Consistency isn't just about profit and losses, it's about the progress. Random position sizing will means equal wide equity swings and also means that very hard to scale.
These rules protect both you and WeMasterTrade. It preserves capital and ensures your edge plays out over time.
Take a look at your account health base. It's a large chunk up to 0.5 to 5 overnight. That's cover, not trade.
A trade idea isn't just one order, it's a bundle of trades sharing the same logic.
For example, 3 buys orders on AU USD at different times means one trade idea.
And the same symbol, same direction glow around the same time. Group logically, the 2% recap applied to the entire bundle.
So the system doesn't just look at the trader individually, it's look at logical bundles.
So what is allowed? You can have multiple trade ideas as long as each respects the 2% risk limit.
If you buy gold, sell GTP, TPY, sell AUD USD, 3 separate trade ideas, it can reach up to 2%.
And while it's not allowed, 3 buys order on gold, same direction, same assets, equal one trade idea.
And if combined risk exceeds 2%, the account is flagged immediately, no exception.
And yes, let's break it down. Imagine $50,000 account, your risk consistency limit is 2% per trade idea, so $1,000 max per bundle.
Trade idea 1 buy gold, total risk $900, which is 1.8%, perfectly under the limit.
And later you open an order pile on gold, same direction, same asset. Combined with the third position, your risk now total the 1,200, and that's 2.4%. Even though each trade looks more individually, the system counts them as one trade idea.
And here's the crucial part, the platform sees a 2% breach immediately. That means even a small miscalculation can trigger a valuation.
Remember, it includes floating losses too. If the first gold trade is floating minus $500 and the second as minus $700, your equity is $46,800 over the 2% limit valuation trigger.
This is why you must think in trade idea bundle, not isolated trade. That's how broad stay compliant without cutting back on strategy.
Trade ideas count combined risk, stay under 2% per idea, and track both floating and closed losses. Master this and the risk consistency become your ally.
There are some tips to stay inside the rule. Tips number 1, count trade idea, not trades.
Tip 2, keep position sizing stable, no sudden jump.
Tips number 3, use WeMasterTrade dashboard. Live risk tracking is your best friend.
Tip 4, plan trades ahead. Don't open multiple positions impulsively.
And tip 5, what's new rebound? Volatility can put you over 2% fast.
Well, this isn't punishment, it's a framework for long-term success. Trade inside the box and you can scale safely.
Respect the risk consistency rule and you will outlast 90% of trader.
Combine risk discipline, plus profit consistency, and plus dailies and max loss management. That is the trifecta separating amateurs from professional traders at WeMasterTrade. And yeah, I think we should get into the new calendar. I think you're waiting for this, right? So now, Ralph and Helen, let's get into it.
Good day to everyone. Welcome back to our live markets update. Today is December 30, and we will move over to year-end condition with a lighter liquidity, but still some key US data to watch.
That's right, Helen. While this isn't a heavy central bank day, we do have energy data, inflation signal from Europe, and late section US activity indicator.
And for the first event at the 12 a.m. USD natural gas storage, natural gas store show a large drawdown of the 166 billion cubic feet, which indicates strong seasonal demand.
That's supportive for natural gas prices and can spill over into energy-related equities, especially if colder weather expectations persist. Next is 5 a.m. event, crude oil inventories. Crude oil inventory increased slightly by 0.4 million barrels.
This is the middle barrels for oil price. Scheduled supply is still a relative comfortable, so year-end volatility may distort the reaction. The next event at 3 p.m. KOF Economic Barometer. The sweet KOF Economic Barometer gives us the forward-looking view on economic momentum.
A stronger reading would support the Swiss francs, while weakness reinforcement the SNB's cautious stance. The next one is Spanish flash CPI. Spanish flash CPI is an early inflation signal for the Eurozone.
And if inflation comes with the harder than expected, it could give temporary support to the euro, especially ahead of the border ECB inflation data. The next event at 9 p.m. Their housing supply industry tells how resilient the U.S. housing market remains under high interest rate.
Continued price growth supports consumer balance shift. but also keeps inflation sticky, something the Fed watches closely. At 9:45 p.m. Chicago PMI is our final major release of the day.
A reading below a fitting good signal contraction and good weight on the dollar, while strength support USD and US equity. Two reactions may be muted due to the year-end condition. And with the year moreover, trading should expect lower liquidity, sudden spike and a fake breakout, reduce institutional participation.
This is a day to trade smaller size, focus on clean technical levels, or simply stay defensive. That's your full market rundown for Tuesday, December 30.
And stay disciplined, manage risk carefully, and don't fall trade in the team market.
Thank you for joining us, and we will see you in the next session. Trade smart, everyone.
And yes, that will be the end of our live stream today. Don't forget to trade smart, trade good, trade with WeMasterTrade.